Okay. Okay. Sawadika!
Sawadika!
Ano ba sawadika? Ay, buhay. Good.
First day in Thailand.
First day in Thailand. Okay. Thank you. Okay guys, biyahe na tayo. Punta na tayo ng Pattaya at kasama natin ng ating walang kapaguran. Okay? Ano ba yan? Yan ang ating mga kasama dito sa Thailand.
Sawadika!
Ngayon ay naka-blip kami pag uwi namin, mga nakapanty na kami. Are. Ayos ka lang ba dyan, pare?
Okay. Sawadika.
Sawadika.
Kapong ka!
Okay.
Tampunta. Pungka.
Okay, good day. Ngayon ay, ano oras na ba? Oras ngayon ay 10:30 dito sa
Sabi ko, why we're here in Indian Scouting? Because our time is hindi pa nabiro.
Let's go.
Pero pumipila na.
Pupunta tayo sa gawa ng gold.
Filipina! Hi guys!
Okay, dito tayo.
Mars! Mars! Parang ka na ka!
Tara na. Oo nga,
Okay guys, mag-interview tayo ng mga milyonaryo na nakikita natin dito sa Thailand. Sir, paano kayo naging milyonaryo?
Sawadika.
Anong edad po kayo na unang naging milyonaryo?
Wala nga akong kalahating milyonaryo ngayon. Kahit kalahating milyonaryo, wala.
Okay. Maya-maya papasok na tayo sa kumuha lang tayo ng ticket natin.
Bakit ba Mars?
Eh paano gagawin natin? Magtitipid ba tayo? Kaya tayo pumunta dito para gumastos eh. Di ba? Oo.
bayaran mo nga muna. Pre, ano man, bayaran mo muna kami.
Ayan. Basta like mo lang yan ha. Okay.
Hindi, bakit doon tago nga yun? Bagay yata pare. Hindi ko lang kapag.
Ano, nakatermo ba na pare?
Mani. Bye.
Okay guys, papunta tayo sa Magic Temple. Ang bayad dito ay 500. Pinatubuan kami ng driver namin. Ano lang to, 250 lang talaga yan. Manong, bakit ang mahal naman na sige niyo sa amin?
Ano ka mabawag kami ng pili na rin?
Pare, sila, minsan.
Okay guys.
Kinakain niyo yung mangga namin?
Sa Lelar, maraming ganyan.
Okay guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa anong lugar ba ito? Pattaya.
Santuario.
Santuario Pattaya. Of Truth. Hello.
Dati meron, kaso naman.
Station eh. Kumain. Tara,
Okay, let's go.
let's go.
Iiwan mo pala dito yung
Tubig.
Pwede mo muna kami sa inyo?
Pre, basta wag iiyak. Pag pumasok ng iyo na yun. Huwag mo lang hayaan.
for more informations and
Okay guys,
directions.
pasok tayo dito
Please be
sa
careful when you go down, be careful and
Sam
watch your step because
Wagang
we
Fishing
have
Selection.
67 stairs going down, also going up.
Ano oras?
Everyone, this is the last call for you to at 11:40. This is the last call for you to
Okay, bababa tayo ng ano. Saan ba tayo bababa? Basta pababa tayo. Hindi ko alam saan tayo pupunta.
Sanctuary of Truth.
Yung mga dadaanan natin pababa.
Tingnan may upuan.
Ay, sesye.
Good morning, everyone. Sunny Mr. Be careful and receive the helmet, please. Because inside the basket we have new artist something inside over here. The helmet, please. So you can adjust from behind. You can have it outside. Okay, right. Sunny, good morning, everyone. Yes, be careful. Receive the helmet, please. And now we move on. You can have a seat just a minute, everyone. I want to copy her. We have a share of everything. We visit the helmet over here because we have new art installing inside. The helmet inside you can adjust from behind. We take a seat over there.
Yan. Okay, dito pinagsuot tayo ng helmet. Yung helmet naman walang tali kaya luwag-luwag. Oh. Wala lang. Masabi lang nila na naka-helmet. Pero ang luwag oh. Inspector, mga inspector. Mga inspector. Okay.
Announcement guys. Another day, another vlog.
Another gastos.
Saan tayo?
Orient lang sa
Okay.
First information, please minus the big careful.
baka daw dun sa loob.
Oo. Alam mo na, mainit eh.
On the left side over here is a toilet. If you feel any uncomfortable, you can use the toilet first. Because inside the museum we don't have toilet there. On the left side is for gentlemen. The right side over there is a for women. You can use them first. Okay, please now we come closer.
Ito guys yung mga nag-uukit ng ano sa kanila.
Information. So this area you can take any picture and we will.
Ito yung mga nag-uukit dito ng mga
Everyone next, so here is a this side over here. Okay, everyone, before we start everyone, I would like to do a quick introduction on how we do construction here. It will be some dust and a bit noisy, but I'm sure it's quite hard to see the real traditional process lighting. This place is the actual workplace of the RTT. You will get the first-hand experience of creation.
Bali sa maghapon, ito lang ang ginagawa nila.
Before install both inside and outside the museum. Water is kept on the plate of wood before it and then we use a turner machine over here to make the wood come enough to fit the column inside the museum. We using the appropriate form of the water technique, and another unique scrubbing technique. We use margin outlet to achieve the voltage of the starter. And this technique will be orange and high speed and connected on the water.
Yan. Maghapon, yan ang ginagawa nila. Nag-uukit sila.
And as for the design,
Mga inuukit nila.
the founder, Mr. Equilia Khan, has already designed the working in Century of Truth Museum as a blueprint. On the left, introduce the blueprint to the actual copy on Century of Truth Museum. First, we will simulate the working to the using processes over here. And then we set our side picture on apply mode and try to install it on the resize. The artist and the computer can determine how many feet of wood do they need, what wood technique do they use, and where do they need to improve the pattern. And after planning is done, we will bring the wood to have places with the prevent termite and fungi, but our chemical is not harmful to the visitor and the nature. After that, the white rest of the woods will be in the process of the further carving. The information on your right side here, that is the latest way. Everyone on your right side over here, this is the biography of the founder. Mr. Lek and Mr. Prabhai Virayaphan had 3 masterpieces in Thailand. The first one, the Ancient City Museum, was built in 1963 as an province nearby Bangkok. And the second one, all of this on the table, this is about the wooden joint technique. We use this technique to build our museum.
Lakad. O, pabalik.
All of the wood together. Wait, now the name. Okay, I'm about to try to put it back.
Okay, pasok na tayo sa loob. Yan. Tignan na natin ang loob ng...
Picture inside over here. We will start from this way, please. Yeah. We will start from this room first. Everyone, yeah, this way, right inside over here.
Okay guys, bali ito yung first destination natin dito sa Thailand, sa Bangkok, Thailand. Okay. Pakita namin sa inyo yung loob ng Thailand. Ay, ng santuario. Okay guys, so bye. Okay. Ito yung mga inukit ng mano-mano. Mano-mano nila itong ginawa.
Family of the horses and original blessing and respecting adore. Next over here. Surround yourself with a positive humanity. It represents to the coming of a smiling and happy face. Being in the good environment.
Pre, ayos lang kayo? Sige lang. Okay guys, andito tayo sa loob ng ano ka ngayon na, malaking santuary. Ito yung inukit to ng mano-mano. Mano-mano nila inukit yan. Yun. Okay, nakita niyo ba yung loob? Ayan. Ang kanilang loob ng santuario nila. Okay. Yan. So sa inyo, ito ang pinakaharap ng santuario. Yan. Yun. apat. Yung ano lang, coins. Yung coins, huhulog ko lang doon. Ayun, 20 yan. Yung barya lang. Magkano to? 20, 40. Ihulog ko doon. Magkano 40 pesos.
Saan tayo? Picture daw. You're the best.
Okay, English 120, take a CCL, please. English
Bali ito ang kanilang elephant. Yan.